Hiya, it's Kylie from Jigsaw again. What we're making today is bath bombs. So, some of these ingredients I've had to buy online, but they are all readily available, and if you buy them in large quantities you can make a lot of bath bombs and they aren't expensive. A lot cheaper than bath bombs that you buy in shops. So we'll put a list of ingredients at the bottom for the things you need. Okay, so we start off with half a cup of baking soda, which is sodium bicarb. You will probably have that in your baking cupboard. So this recipe is quantitative, which means that as long as you use the same size cup for every ingredient, it will work out about right. So that's half a cup of sodium bicarb. Then you need 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. These are both baking-y ingredients, so you might have them in your cupboard. Then 1/4 of a cup of Epsom salts. These are going to make the water really nice and soft. About right. It's not the exact science, so don't worry too much. Okay, then we need 1/4 of a cup of citric acid. Now, citric acid sounds like a really horrible chemically thing. It's not. This is all food grade. So this is the stuff that they put on fizzy sweets to make it taste sour and fizzy. Okay, 1/4 of a cup of that. Then we need 3 to 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. So I'm going to put 4 in because I like them to be really moisturising. There we go. Okay, you can put a little bit of water in there as well, but I'm going to wait until after I've put my essential oil in so that I can see how much it needs. So this essential oil is a wearable essential oil, so that means that it's safe for the body. And we need a teaspoon of that. This one's pomegranate. Should be refreshing. Okay, so if we give it a mix, what's happening now is the wet and dry ingredients are starting to clump together. So I can see that's not quite there yet. With the essential oils, if you shake it, all the lumps come to the top and you can make sure that they're all gone. So it still feels really dry. So now I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of just cold water in there, and there will be a tiny fizz, but not too much. Okay, do that. Okay, just a bit fizzy in there now. It's tricky to see, isn't it? Oh, this smells really good. And what you can see now is it's sort of starting to clump together. Okay, now what we need to do once it's all mixed and starting to try to clump together a little bit, not too much, once everything's mixed in, get a mould. You can use lots of different things. These are children's sand moulds, so this is of a unicorn, because why not? You want to fill your mould, and you want to put quite a bit in there, more than you think will fit. You can definitely get some more in there. Push it down with your fingers, you can feel it going into all of the little gaps. There we go. And then what you do is you wait for 5 minutes, leave it in the sun somewhere, and then you can turn it out of the mould. They need to dry for 24 hours before you put them in the bath. Nothing would go wrong, they just wouldn't fizz in the way that you would want them to until they're nice and dry. So you can see, here's one I made earlier. There it is. Okay, and that's it really. What you can do is you can make them more exciting by adding food colouring or glittery bits or little confetti things. The thing to make sure that you think about is that obviously it needs to be body safe. You don't want to dye yourself with food colouring, and also if it's got bits in it, you don't want to clog your drain. Alright? Again, we'd really love it if anyone made any of these, if they could send us a picture. Everyone take care. Thank you. Bye.